So in this video we will discuss how to configure your webinar. The first option we have here is to edit the webinar details. You can edit the webinar name, the webinar description. The registration URL is not editable, and the webinar picture, if you want to upload some, it will be shown in the registration page. And the webinar tags, you can also switch off the chat if you want. You can redirect the attendees after the webinar, and you can also choose if your webinar is paid or it is free. In the co-hosts, you can add the coordinator name and click on the add coordinator button, and an automated email would be sent to this email ID. Like this is added recently, so an email would have been sent to sam@gmail.com, and before that we have added neeraj@factory.in. So this is for the coordinators, and now we come to the email funnel. In this, you can enable or disable the automatic emails that are sent to all your attendees, and you have four kind of emails right now. The instant confirmation mail, when a person registers for the webinar, an email is sent 24 hours before, and if you want to write your own email, you can write your own email here, and there is also an option to edit the email, and you can click on save and update, and you'll have your email ID, your email edited. You can edit it. Italics is not less than Microsoft Word editing, and now you have option to edit your email that is 1 hour before. You can do it in the same way. And if you suppose you don't want to write your own custom mail, you can also write a short message in the template provided by us. And for this signature, you can change it in the settings section from here. All right, and now we come on to the registrations. In the webinar registrations, you can add a custom field to the registration form, and after this you can use the app that you have already integrated in it. Choose an app from here. Suppose I choose this one. It will automatically be connected to this webinar. You can fetch your list of the Aweber or from MailChimp account, and for the thank you page, you can add a sample page so that the webinar, after the webinar, your attendees would be redirected to this page. And after this, you have an embed code. You can put this code anywhere in the HTML, your custom pages, so that you can get the registration page, the registration form over there. All right. And you can also get a video link. You can add a YouTube video link here. You can get the height and set the height and width here, and click on add video. You can even set your Twitter handle, Facebook link, and the LinkedIn link to be displayed on the registration page. All right. So the next one is resources. The resources are basically the presentation material or the video that you upload and that you are going to use while delivering your webinar. From here, choose your material type, either presentation or video. It accepts both PPT and .pptx. Write some material name for it, and click on browse, and it will prompt you to upload an image, a video or a presentation, sorry. Okay, so after this, you can even add tracking pixels like Google tracking or Facebook tracking pixels or any other third-party tracking pixels that you have been using in the past. So you need not change from that. And the tracking pixels would be automatically added to the head section of each of these pages: the registration page, thank you page, and the webinar room. And now coming to the branding. So you can white label the webinars, not the product. You can upload a logo from here. You will get a preview of the logo in this box, and you can even change the color scheme. Like if I choose F7, F7, F7. Oh, this is dull. I'll choose some image here, some reddish shade, and you can select where you want the branding to be enabled. All right. In the registrants, you can upload the registrants in bulk or add one by one individually. It's your choice. In the bulk upload, you can click on this browse button and upload your CSV file. To view what format we accept in the CSV file, you can click on this button, and here you can see the format. The first column should be of the file name, the second one last name, and the third one should be email. All right. Then click on upload, and your data would be saved, and automatically all the registrants would be registered for this webinar. Now we come on to the registration page builder. For this, I will dedicate a separate video because I don't want to divert from the main configuration topic. The next option is, and the latest option that we have included, is to generate the QR code. We have generated a QR code for you, and now you can share it with your registrants so that they can register and view your webinar. It's a cool way to register, isn't it? Thank you.